In this video, I'm going to show you how to use mesh gradients in Affinity by Canva. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have a document over here, and then you will need a layer. So you could also, of course, draw an object if you want to, but I'm just gonna go to the Pixel tab up top, and I'm gonna add on a new fill layer, which I'm going to color in, let's just do light blue over here, okay? There we go. Let's say that's it. Now, when you do this, it's automatically going to apply this fill tool over here on the left-hand side. So just click on it, and the first thing you want to do is, of course, select something out of here. So for example, linear, and then you want to, of course, actually create something. So I'm going to click on here. If anything gets deselected, make sure you always select back. If you can't draw anything, it means your layer got deselected. So just click on it and you'll be good to go. And then here I'm going to just create a simple gradient. So let's say this is the gradient I want. I'm going to click on this color up here, and I'm going to change it to something else. Let's do like this. And you can already see this is now kind of a gradient. It's very simple, but it will do for this tutorial. Whenever you've done that, you can then just click on this layer again, and you can change the type from linear to mesh, okay? When you do mesh, it's going to give you this kind of a layout over here, where you can basically go ahead and move this around. So as I'm moving this around, as you can see, the gradient is moving as well. Now you could also double click anywhere, and it's going to create a new section, and then those sections can also be moved around, and you can then do whatever you want with them, okay? So that's completely customizable. You could move around whatever you want and create whatever you wish. You could also add new colors by simply clicking on any of these. Like, let's say I want a new color down here. I can just click on this little dot, and I can go ahead and just swap over to a different color. Let's say like this green one over here, and then I can change this and put it around as well. And then of course you could customize anything you want using this mesh gradient. So that's pretty much how you use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.